In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email alias as from address in Outlook. By the end, you'll be able to send emails that appear to come from your chosen alias, which is great for separating personal, project, or role-based communication without creating a whole new mailbox. Start by opening your Microsoft account in a web browser and signing in. Once you're in, head to the Your Info section. This is where Microsoft keeps your profile details and the identities connected to your account. From there, go to Account Info, then select Edit Account Info. You'll see your current sign-in names and aliases listed. Choose Add Email. Here you have two options. You can create a brand new Outlook address to use as an alias, or you can add an existing email address you already own. Pick the option that fits your needs. If you add an existing address, Microsoft may ask you to verify ownership. Just follow the on-screen prompts to confirm it's yours. After adding the alias, give it a moment to register across services. Sometimes it takes a few minutes to sync. Next, switch to Outlook on the web. This is where you'll set the alias as a selectable from address for your messages. Click the settings gear in the top corner to open the quick settings pane. At the bottom, open the full settings and choose Mail. Under Mail, go to Compose and Reply. This page controls how your messages are created and sent. Look for the option to choose your default from address. Open the dropdown and select the alias you just added. Setting it here ensures new messages default to that from identity, which saves you from switching it every time. When you're happy with the choice, click Save to lock in the change. A couple of practical tips before we wrap up. If you don't see the alias in the From list yet, refresh the page or sign out and back in to let Outlook catch up with the change in your account. If you prefer to choose on a message by message basis, you can still change the From line while composing an email, and the alias you added will appear as an option. Also keep in mind that recipients will see the alias exactly as configured, so pick something that clearly represents the purpose you have in mind. That's it. You added the alias to your Microsoft account, selected it as the default from address in Outlook on the web, and saved your settings. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.